got what I came for. Yeah, in France, when you see people walking around with these, like you see in the movies, when you guys think of France, you see people riding around with the bike with this kind of bread. This bread is called a baguette. It's really true. I really walk down the street with one of these as well. Not saying I've become French or anything, but I guess I adapt well. Okay, so actually I'm looking outside. The sun is out the house. It's a beautiful day. I have like maybe 4 hours free until training. So kind of think maybe heading to another place. Okay, quick bathroom break. We'll spin to that city. Okay, so finally here now. I think this is the center. This is a city called Bologna. It's about 30 minutes from Berg. I've never been here before. I've heard about it. We've played against a team here. So I guess I'm not sure where I am, where I'm going, or what is the plan. Sounds like a typical day, actually. Okay. Okay, so we've been kind of walking around here for like maybe 10 minutes trying to find like the center. Haven't really found it yet. It's kind of like walking around here. It's oh, that's nice. Okay, now this looks a little bit better. This is what I was kind of looking for. Like a little bit of sunshine in the city. Not even just literally, but just need to brighten up the scene. Here we go. Feel a little bit better. And then another thing I can say about this town is there are a lot of hills. I know you guys can't see it, but this is like a pretty big hill walking up, and still only about halfway going to the top, but need to make a quick pit stop. Yeah, in case you guys haven't noticed, I've been using, this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black I've been using today. Not sure if you guys have noticed, it's more stable, more clear. Not sure. Can you guys let me know in the comments what you think about it? That would help. But I'm in the store looking for some, maybe a little bit of accessories to go with it to make it a little more. Okay, so they didn't have any kind of new accessories. Still gonna keep looking. Pretty excited about this, and I guess also carrying this little thing. I guess on days I wouldn't vlog, or things that I wouldn't record, or things that I wouldn't maybe film, or days I wouldn't film. They were definitely doing something I can't see. It doesn't have a flip out screen, but it's cool because on days that I wouldn't film, now it's like, well, I have this, so why not? Now that's pretty crazy. Actually, I think right now, this is one of the beauties for me of not knowing anything before I arrive in the city, because you just find that there's like a castle in the center and everything is kind of here in the castle. You have this whole like cathedral area. Can y'all see that? And now we are in a castle. You guys remember I was saying that the city felt like it was missing it was missing something, like the sunshine, not the literal sunshine, but just the energy of the people and kind of happy faces in a little sense. Being here in this castle area, I see that this is the place that was hiding all the kind of energy that I felt like was missing a little bit from down below in Boulogne, if that makes any kind of sense to you guys. Okay, so finally made it up here. Oh man, it's super windy. Not sure how this is dealing with the wind, but finally made it up here to the top of the castle, kind of overlooking the city. So I don't think that I'm gonna find a better place to say welcome to Boulogne. Well, GoPro style. You guys can see, finally made it back here to my city, to Bern, with about 23 minutes to spare until I gotta head over to training, but felt like I didn't want to end it in the castle. Thought it would be better to end it at the beach, in a place where it's kind of normal for you guys to see, and also to kind of test out the new camera. But hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed where I was exploring. Didn't get to see a whole lot, didn't know about it, just had a last minute idea to go to a last minute city at the last moment. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like I say, if you guys see a difference of this camera, if it looks any different to you guys, can you leave a comment down below? Let me know what you think. I'm pretty curious. I actually don't know how it looks editing it, so it'll be interesting. First time really editing GoPro footage, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. The castle, all that kind of stuff. I guess, as I always say to people, you guys know me. Another day in the office, but quick sunset and then off to training. So I'm gonna wish you guys a good day. Hope the sun is out wherever you guys are. You guys listen to the podcast, thank you guys so much. We're growing the podcast every single day. Seriously, it's amazing. Thank you so much. And I think that is it for the day. So everyone have a great day. I'll speak to you guys later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.